How to get $100 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go and open any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one, CouponFollow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check out. You can see that $20 off, $15 off, 10% off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the offer, go ahead and click on the option of See Details. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy this coupon code, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code and get the discount. By applying the same process, you are able to use other offers as well. Likewise, you can also go through other website links. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.